Happy Vlogmas week 3, guys. So, we can get out the car. Yeah. So, today, we are going to watch Sonic 3 with... Oh, wow, that person's light's really bright. Okay. It's Mark and his family.
Like
food?
KFC or Popeyes. Like,
yeah, like chicken.
Like the breaded chicken.
Yeah.
It has a distinct, even, it has a distinct smell.
Yeah, so we're gonna go watch Sonic 3. Yeah, with wedges. And yeah, show you guys. Yeah. So, okay, she's 5 minutes. Here's a Sonic poster. Ooh. How you feeling?
I feel good. I'm just waiting for everyone else to get here.
So Mark likes to be on time and early, and the movie's at 6, but you know it doesn't really start at 6. We got here like 5:30, and now he's calling up his family.
We gotta get these snacks.
But yeah, we're still early, so you know. Yeah. So we just finished watching the movie. What do you think?
I think it was good. It reminded me of the game Sonic 2 Adventure. I don't know if you guys ever played it. I played it on GameCube, but
listen, this guy was geeking out the whole movie. He's like, yeah, this was in a video game. Yeah. This is just like the poster or something like that.
Yeah, like the
cover of the game
of Sonic 2 Adventure. They had like where Sonic and Shadow both like cross each other and like looking at the camera like.
Yeah. So it's good, but no spoilers. I will say like the ending was emotional for me at least, but I get emotional with like a bunch of movies.
If you played the game and you actually beat the game, you'll know. But yeah. So yeah. So I would rate it a 10 out of 10. Yeah. But that's probably not the last movie because
it gave a Marvel type thingies. It's not a spoiler, but like basically if you do go watch the movie, stay after the end credits.
Yeah. Because
there was a bunch of people who left, and then it had like a Marvel movie type of thing where like
kind of sets up for the next
movie. Yeah.
And some new characters came, so
yeah. So definitely wait until after the credits before you leave. Don't just walk out. So yeah, now we're about to head over to get some food. I think we're going to Chili's baby back ribs.
Barbecue sauce.
Yeah.
Barbecue sauce.
So I'll see how much I could get from there. Probably not much, but yeah. We move. Beautiful sight. Happy tonight. Walking in a winter wonderland. Hey guys. Happy it is cold, y'all. Happy Saturday. Happy Cece Winans Day. So we just got we got our groceries and stuff, Christmas groceries and such, and yeah, it is cold outside. We're trying to figure out what we're gonna wear, cause
I'm wearing long johns.
Yeah,
top and bottom.
Yeah, it's
reminds me of Maine. Well, Maine's a bit colder, and they had snow since like October.
Yeah, so we'll come back a little later when we're leaving or when we get there. But yeah, just want to show you guys the snow because we got this is not the first official snow.
What, well, it snowed lightly last year, then it melted like the next morning, so it was like, it didn't really stick.
Yeah.
So I'll probably say yeah.
Yeah, so first official snow fall of the year. So yeah, we'll see you later.
I'm gonna stay at my best friend's house.
We made it. The NJ Pass. We're just trying to find our first tier. Oh, we have to keep going.
First.
No. We made it. Yeah, so we got a pretzel. It's kind of dry, but yeah. Y'all, it was such a hassle to come in, but we did it, right?
Yep, and repack.
Yeah.
Please welcome to the stage. On a stereo that can go to the grocery store, right or right. But I'm excited tonight. You know, when you see all the advertisements, you just see my face on there. But it takes a lot of people to do what we do, and I am so honored that I get a chance to do this with these incredible people, and I mean this. They are. Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, prospero año y felicidad. Feliz Navidad. Wishing you a Merry Christmas. From the bottom of my
Intermission now. What do you think so far?
It's good. I mean, she definitely got some pipes. I think she aged pretty well. She's 60, right?
Yeah. I was bawling my eyes out. Not gonna lie.
We gotta ask her skincare too.
He's over there recording. I'm like,
you did?
It was good. So yeah.
You got waterfalls.
Nah, literally. It was like all the way down my cheek. I'm like,
understandable, so
yeah.
it is a very strong voice.
And the talking about Jesus and everything. Yeah. So yeah. Show you the rest of the concert.
The stars are brightly shining. in sin and error, pining till he appeared, and the soul felt its worth. A thrill of hope, the weary world rejoices, for yonder breaks a new and glorious morn. Fall on your knees, holy night, all night divine. Over the hills and everywhere. Oh, yeah. Mountain that Jesus Christ is born. Oh, tell it on the mountain. Over the hills and everywhere. Tell it on the mountain that Jesus Christ is born. I love you, Lord, for your mercy never fails me. All my days I've been held in your hand. From the moment that I wake up until I lay my head, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. Oh, 'cause all my life you have been faithful, and all my life you have been so, so good. With every breath that I am able, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. Goodness is running after, it's running after me. Your goodness is running after, it's running after me. It never runs out. Your goodness is running after, it's running after. With my life laid down, with my life laid down, I surrender now. I give you everything. Your goodness is running after, it's running after me. All my life you have been faithful, and all my life you have been so, so good. With every breath that I am able, oh, I'm gonna sing of the goodness of God. I'm gonna sing. All my life you have been faithful.
y'all. So show is over. Yeah, so it was a good show. Very entertaining. Very,
it was fun.
Yeah. So yeah, it got a poppin' at the end. But
it was like July 4th, like the grand finale, like where a whole bunch of like the fireworks pop for like a couple minutes.
It was good. So yeah, y'all, that wraps up week 3 of Vlogmas. Or should I? Nah, they don't need to see us dropping off gifts tomorrow. It's okay. That wraps up week 3 of Vlogmas. Catch you next week, the big Christmas week.